Hey there, today we're going to see how we can calculate the area in each of our land use. Say it's given we have land use, land cover 2024. So, for example, this is land use, land cover 2024 of Mahale National Park in Western Tanzania. So, if you just right click and then go to properties, on symbology, you just see the values 1 up to 9. Of course, this is a DNs, and then we have the label with their corresponding colors. We have the bare land, the build-ups area, bushland, cropland, grassland. So what we are going to see, we're going to see area that cover the bare land, the build-up, the bushland, the crop, grassland, and so forth. So to do so in QGIS, cancel, and then to do so simply just gonna convert this raster data to vector data, and then so we just got to raster, and then go to conversions and then polygonize raster to data. So that's is how we just convert the raster to vector. So just see, go to raster to vector. So if you just click that, input layer is land use, land cover 24, and then the name of a field is the DNs, and then I don't want to save anywhere, so just keep that way and then just click run. Yeah, so if you close, this is vector data. So just right click and then open attribute table. You will see that we have the number of a field and the DNs. So for now, we need to dissolve them so that we can have only 9 field. So for that, we have like the 9s field on the attribute table. We have 1 up to 9, so we need to dissolve the area. So to do so, just go to vector and then to processing tools. We're going to dissolve, and then if you click that, input layer should be vectorized, and then I'm just gonna select DNs. I just want to dissolve using the DNs, and then click OK. I don't want to save anywhere, just click run. So yeah, as for now, we just have the dissolved. So if just right click this dissolved and open attribute table, you'll see we have the DNs 1 up to 8, and of course the fields. So for now, what we are going to do is adding the attributes or adding the area to each of a DN. So to do so simply, we can also using we can also use the field calculator, but for now I'm just gonna use the simple method. So just go vector, and then I just go to geometry tool, adding geometry attributes. So click that, and then the input layer is dissolved. But before that, I need to check my CRS, because here, so right click, go to properties, and then information. I just want to check the CLS. Of course, yes, the CLS should be in UTM zone, so that our areas or perimeter should come with meter square units, or in UTM zone in meters. And then so I just repeat, go to vector, and then geometry, and then adding geometry attributes, and then I just use the layer CRS, and then the input is dissolved. I don't want to save anywhere. Then click run. It will take some times, and then close that. So this is added geometry info. Slightly click, go to attribute table. You see like we have the area and the perimeter. but of course our interest is in area, so just delete this. Yeah, so we have the areas. So for now we'll now understand, we can calculate also the percentage in each of the DNs, and we can understand. For example, let me just copy this to Excel, for example. Yeah, so for now I've just copied the DNs and the area in square meter, I mean square meter. So if you just see, I just left it with field ones. So I don't interested with the field, so I just take the DNs and the area. And now I just want to go back here, and then I just want to right click, and then properties. I want to see one represent what, so I just copy to that. So that's one. Then I just copy here, and then paste it to here, for example. That's one, and do the rest. Yeah, so as you see, this is my description. So one is parent, two is built up area, and so forth. So for now I just want to, of course, I just want to change this in kilometer. So I just say area in, so that's 30. So I just tag this, divide by, yeah. So yeah, here is my area in square kilometer for sure. And then I just want to do some percentage, of course. So I'll just do, and I just take this, or let me just take the sum of these. So yeah, this is a sum, and then I just want to do some percentage. Copy this, and then just want to be this one divided by pasty. Yes. So is a percent, and then yeah. So for now I'll just use these, for example, and then I'll just use with this percentage. Let me just plot some graphs so that we can visualize. So as you see, like the one that take the larger percentage is the woodland, or the, this is forest or woodland, followed by natural forest, and then followed that by grassland, bushland, and so forth. So that's how we can calculate the area in each of a session, I mean each of a land use that we have using QGIS. Thanks.